Yo, this thing's crazy, bro. It's the end of the video. Like I said, man, if you guys are enjoying this type of content, make sure you guys leave a like and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. Like I said, this whole channel is just experimental. Oh my gosh, dude, now I for sure don't regret buying this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see how this angle looks. I've been testing all these different angles, bro, because I don't know what works, bro. And you should see the straight pipe this thing, but pretty much I've been trying to see what works, and this head mount low-key looks not only does it look goofy on me, I'm not getting the angle I want. But welcome back to another video, guys. I've been trying to make more of these POV. Basically, like, my whole agenda with my YouTube channel is make a bunch of videos that I wish I could see. Dude, this car is just what makes me just so happy is how this car is stock, dude. That's what blows my mind. And like, it's pretty easy to like pass the speed limit. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, it is really easy to break the law in this car. So I've been kind of trying to keep it more subtle and be like enjoying the lower gears and the lower speeds. So like, there's already a really good whine. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like with the stock Hellcat, there's a really good whine. But from my past experience, every time you upgrade the car, like let's say you upgrade the intake, like aftermarket, it always, like, I'm sure the comparison's gonna be really similar, but it's always a little bit better. It's always like that. I've never seen it to where it's not, except recently. I don't know why, dude. Recently I've been watching like these Hellcat videos, and these comparisons are so, it's almost like there's like almost like no change. Okay, I'm gonna watch this video, see how the angles look. I really hope you guys are enjoying these angles. I don't know how they look like until I start editing it, but I'm using my phone for now. Come on, dude, there's too much traffic, man. Oh my goodness, bro. The pops are just beautiful. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm gonna be honest, I noticed that this car eats gas the same way when you do pulls. Like, obviously doing pulls eats more gas, it's obvious, but what I realized that me doing pulls more often, it's almost the same as driving it in eco mode and going somewhere. I mean, what do you expect? I mean, what did I expect? You know, it's a freaking V8 supercharged. So I guess my only goal right now is just to, like, I make pretty good money for my job, but my goal is just to make something off this car. If I can make something happen, I'm gonna be a happy camper, bro. I just want to be able to make money so I can just keep filling this car up with like no issue. Come on, bro, come on. There's like not that many cops on the road either. How am I already at 70? I just sped up. Oh fudge, dude. Am I gonna make this? Am I gonna make it? Fudge, I'm not gonna make it. Dang it. I put the camera down because there's a cop. I don't know if this is illegal or not, but I'm gonna put this thing back on now. He wasn't going at the green light, so I'm like, I got kind of scared. Actually, wait, I'm gonna go. Oh, fudge. I'm like so scared cops are not, because literally, dude, the police station's like literally right there. So I'm kind of like trying to be conservative right now. But I really hope you guys enjoy these videos. Like I said, my goal is to do a lot of pulls on it. It's RT, still a good car. Like I said, dude, the V8's what really makes a huge change in any car. Obviously, supercharged is like ideally, Scat Pack. Bro, all the cars are out now, dude. I usually don't see this, like these many Dodge. I don't see Dodges this often. Dude, anyone that's looking at me is probably like, bro, this guy looks goofy. I need to get like more, I need to get my windows more tinted. The only reason why I'm trying to keep everything stock right now is like, my goal is like, if I get stopped by a cop that's trying to give me a stay ref or something, I can just you know, if the car is stock, this, like, I want to see him try to give me a ticket, you know, especially if it's stock. Trying to keep it chill next to the police station, you know. From what I noticed, the cops in my area are way more chill than other areas. And to be honest, bro, like, after this whole, like to be completely honest, after COVID and then all these protests that happened recently in the past, like, year and year, 2 years, I noticed that I, like, literally almost never see police cops. Like, dude, I used to see them so often giving everyone tickets. Now it's like, I don't know if they, like, finally chilled out, you know, like, dude, honestly, a warning, like if a cop stops me for speeding, like, dude, just scare me, and then just let me go off on a warning. Like, I'll learn my lesson, you know what I mean? Like, don't ruin my record, you know what I mean? I don't want to pay more insurance and all that crap, you know what I mean? Like, I wish more cops were more lenient, like that, you know? I know some are, but oh, that's M4. Sick. I think it's M4. It looks sick though. Looks clean. I didn't get on the freeway to enjoy this more. It's the weekend. There's way too many stoplights. Jeez, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get on the freeway right now. Goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. I need to open the back windows. Oh my goodness, bro. This car sounds amazing, dude. Try to keep it chill over here because there's always cops, bro. Always. Oh my goodness. Bro, I'm on 6th gear and this thing sounds amazing. I've never experienced that in any car. Wow, bro. Okay, now I'm too high up in the gears, bro. Wow. I'm sorry guys if I'm annoying you. You just, like, I wish you guys can feel this. I've had this car for a week and it still feels like, and this is exactly how I felt with my S4. Just the only thing I was missing was a V8. You know, the S4, I loved this so much because it was supercharged. And like, bro, I had literally an intake on it that made it sound so insane. Okay, how did I get on the freeway? Oh, dude, I missed it, bro. I hate how confusing these freaking freeways are. Like, this one will take me... Oh, dude, there's traffic right now. Nah, I'm gonna go straight. I need to do like a U-turn somewhere. Whatever, I'll take this road. I'm gonna try to make these POV videos a little bit shorter because I noticed that I kind of, like, I don't think they're annoying, but I'm just like, I need to test the waters first before I start like making like longer ones. But my goal is to do pulls like crazy. Oh my goodness, bro. I literally have a seatbelt on, bro, and this thing jerked me. Okay, that. Oh my. I'm gonna try to say less, bro. Just enjoy the ride. That better not be an M3 40i. If that is, bro, I'm gonna be honest, bro. Beamers, foreign cars are freaking fast. Oh shoot, it is an M3 40i. They're gonna look at me like I'm goofy, bro. Whatever, bro. I need to stop being insecure. If I look goofy, who cares, bro? Honestly, I'm trying to make some videos for you guys and for myself too. Honestly, dude, like, I love watching back. Like, that's how much of a fan I am in this car. That's why I went for it, bro. like knowing that I enjoy watching my own videos, that's what makes me want this car more. Actually, that's what makes me cherish this car more ever since I bought it. You know, a lot of my friends, they kind of clown on me for getting this car because it's like a bow, it's bulky. Like, bro, I know. That's why I got this car. I know it's bulky, it's powerful, it feels good. Honestly, it's honestly one of the most comfy cars I've ever driven, honestly. Like, out of all cars I've been in, it's one of the most comfy cars. And for anyone that says like, yo, you should have got M4, all this stuff, like, dude, I want to get that car someday. But like, the risk to reward is better for this car. Like, I enjoy this car more. And like, I still want an M4, you know, I can't get both. But eventually I will, I know I will. So I'm just gonna hustle, keep grinding. Hopefully, if I get more promotions, if I level up in the company, then I can for sure get one. But of course, there's so many ways to make money, so just gotta keep going, just gotta keep grinding. About to go under a bridge right now, actually, so. Yo, this thing's crazy, bro. I'm so like getting cutouts on this car, like in a couple weeks. I'm gonna keep the car chill right now since I don't know, just chilling with it. Yeah, for anyone that says like, yo, you sure got this car, like, bro, I'm chilling with Beamers right now for now, because when I went to Germany for my company, we were able to rent cars out. So I was able to rent out Audi A6 for like really cheap. For some reason, like, they're really cheap in Germany. And that car broke. So then, since they broke and they couldn't help me fix it fast enough, I was able to work a deal, because since they caused me so much stress, it's unbelievable. That's like a whole separate video, honestly. But they caused me so much stress. I was supposed to actually get an M4 comp for 3 weeks, the rest of my trip, for 3 weeks. And my company's paying for it, so for me, it's like even better, you know what I mean? I was able to get my company a deal. I was gonna get an M4 comp, but they didn't have it available. Someone else was like renting it out. So I got an M340i, which is still a good car, but come on, you can't compare. Dude, M4 comp sounds so fun. But pretty much I had that car for 3 weeks and it was a blast. I'll be honest, it was a freaking blast. But and it was snowing too, so I was like drifting in it. Oh shit, that's a cop. And he's not looking at me. Okay, we're good. Imagine he's doing a U-turn right now. I'll be so sad. Oh my goodness. Sorry if my camera's bouncing, bro. That's how much freaking torque this car has. I'm gonna try to take this street so I can drive casually and talk to you guys at the same time. I need to get a speeder. I need to get a radar so bad. I'm speeding so much right now. Okay, so yeah, pretty much when I had the... Actually, no, I'm gonna stay quiet for this. My goodness, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. I can't believe this is stock. But yeah, pretty much when I had the M340i, it was really fun. The only issue I would say I had with it is, since it was a rental, I couldn't switch over to two-wheel drive. I really wanted to be in two-wheel drive. And that's the only thing I would say the difference, because I think from the M4 comp, you can actually switch it back and forth from all-wheel to two-wheel, which is like, honestly, so OP. So I had my time to enjoy the Beamer. The biggest issue I had with that car was stock. It sounds like, dude, this sounds just like a Toyota, honestly. Like, you don't hear much. Like, I would hear the turbos when I'm gassing it really hard, but the turbos are still quiet. But I know that if you put aftermarket turbos on those things, or aftermarket intakes, I mean, it sounds amazing. Like, it has, dude, the blowouts sound amazing, and then especially the exhaust. If you can put, like, if you know which exhaust to get, oh my gosh, the M340i sounds freaking amazing. But to be honest with you, if I'm gonna go for an M340i, I'm just gonna full send it to an M4 comp. And honestly, bro, ideally, I want an M5. That's like the most ideal Beamer I want. I want an M5 someday, fully pimp it out, fully straight pipe, put intakes on it right away the first week. You have to, bro. With this car, dude, it's everything's stock. It's beast mode. Oh my goodness, bro. This is definitely gonna be my first. I already made a POV video. I'm trying to think about like, should I upload this one first or the next one? I think this one's gonna be first. This one's way better than the last one. Last one I wasn't gassing it enough. Oh my goodness, bro. Dude, the suburbs of LA is just amazing. Like, this is so beautiful. Bro, oh my goodness, I can't wait until I get cutouts to make these type of videos. It's gonna be so much more entertaining with cutouts. But I think I'm getting to the end of the video. Like I said, man, if you guys are enjoying this type of content, make sure you guys leave a like and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. Like I said, this whole channel is just experimental. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh my, dude, I love when the tires slip. Honestly, that's what makes this car satisfying. It's so powerful it slips. Like, that's what makes it fun, bro. I'm gonna be honest. It feels so good when it's slipping. But basically, this channel is all experimental, man. You know, I'm here to have fun, and I'm here to make videos that I want to look back. You know, like the way I look at this channel is like, I want it to be like memory lane. You know, I want to look back 10 years, 20 years from now and be like, yo, show my kids, like, yo, this is the car I used to drive. Look at the young me, you know? That's what's crazy, man. Time's gonna go by like that. Time's gonna go by and we're gonna be like, dude, 30 years old, 40 years old, and looking back like, man, fudge, dude. I don't even want to think about that, because I already know when I'm 40, I'm gonna have so much FOMO. I'm gonna be like, man, I miss these days. Oh my gosh, dude. Now I for sure don't regret buying this. Goodness, oh my goodness. Anyways, man, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.